Hi guys, if you just bought a new external hard drive and plugged it in thinking, great, I'm ready to go. Stop right there because you might run into problems later. Your Mac might not save files correctly. Your Windows PC might not work the way you expect. Or worse, you could lose important files. But don't worry, I'm going to show you the right way to set it up so it works on both Macs and Windows. Hi guys, I'm Rose, and in this video, I will walk you step by step on how to set up your 4TB Toshiba External drive from start to finish in a very simple way. No tech stress, no confusion, just easy stuff anyone can follow. Think of your external drive like an empty storage box. Before you start putting your videos, photos, or works file inside, you want both your Macs and your Windows computer to open that box, use it, and move file in and out without any issue. That's exactly what we are going to fix right now. First, take your Toshiba drive out of the box and plug it into your Mac using the cable that came with it. If you're using a new Mac, you might need an adapter like I do with my Mac Mini M4 Pro or MacBooks. Once you plug it in, you might see the drive show up on your desktop or in Finder. But just because it shows up does not mean it is set up the right way. Before we continue, this is very important. Formatting a drive will erase everything on it. If your drive is brand new, you're fine. But if you have already saved files on it, move them somewhere safe first. Now let's set it up the right way. So there are two options to find your external drive. The first option is to go to Finder, and there it is. If you don't see your drive there, the second option is to press Command plus space, type in this utility and hit enter. This is your Mac's built-in tool for managing drives. On the left, you'll see internal and external drives listed. Then you want to click on your drive to select it. You can either right-click and select Erase, or go to the top right and click on the Erase button. And don't worry, this is just the step to set things up. You'll see two options, name and format. For the name, call it anything you want. I'll name mine Rose 4TB. For the format, choose exFAT. This is the key steps. exFAT lets both Mac and Windows use the drive. It acts like a share language between the two. Once everything looks right, click Erase. Wait for a few seconds, then click Done. Now your drive works on both Mac and Windows. Let's do a quick test, guys. Go to Finder, then I will drag and drop a small file into my new Toshiba drive. Open it again. If it works, you're good to go. One last tip that can save you trouble, guys. Always eject your drive before unplug it. Click the eject icon, wait for it to disappear, then unplug your drive. This protects your files and keep your drive in good shape. And that is it. Simple, right? When you do this one time, you don't have to worry about problem between Mac and Windows again. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys think this video is helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This allows YouTube to show this video to more people who may need this information. Bye guys, see you next video.